palitan ang pag-ibig, hindi parang damit. Pag may bagong uso, papalitan.
Yo, baby. We cannot talk right now. Nandito pa siya. Sige, bye-bye.
My gosh! Kate! Where the heck are you? I've been waiting here since kanina pa. I can't believe you're not yet here.
I can't do this, Tony. I don't want to do this anymore. Let her have him. I don't even do anything wrong here. God will be my witness, my justice, my avenger. I can't fight this feeling anymore.
Loka! Kung may representative lang dyan ng MTRCB, panalong na sa Best Drama Awards. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. You have to fight, girl. Fight for your lalaki. Sabi nga ni Britney Spears, now I'm stronger than yesterday. Now it's nothing but my way. My loneliness is killing me no more.
Oh, sige na. I get your point. Kagigising ka na. I'll be there soon.
Muntik kang tumagal, te!
Tony! Ano kahit ko sa'yo? Pagkalang ko naman bahay na rin ako. Pero bakit ganon? Isang taon na kaming kasal ng babae na siya. Excited magkakabit. Ay, naku, friend. Hindi ko believe.
Sis! Wala tayong magagawa dyan. You have to face the truth. Why don't you just let him go na lang?
Ha? Mari!
Joke lang naman, te! Eh, medyo makareact. Pa-check up mo na kaya ang puso mo.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Tony. Ano na magiging feeling sa akin ni Rob kapag nalaman niya hindi ko siya pinagkakatiwalaan?
Girl, ganyan-ganyan din ang nangyari kay Maring Karen eh. Ayun, nung natapos yung buong affair, hindi nga siya iniwan ng mister niya. Pero hanggang ngayon, Gina pa rin tawag sa kanya.
Hindi kasi ganun yun. You planned what you saw. I mean, you saw what you planned.
You reap what you sow? Okay lang.
Yun na din yun. You reap what you saw and I saw it faithfully. Ang dami namin pinagsamahan, pare. At mag-iibigan.
Sakit ang lahat na hindi sa'yo.
Kate! Kate! Kate Torres Love Rob forever@yahoo.com!
Ano ba kasi yun?
Gusto mo sabihin ko pa password mo?
Wag na, friend. Nasa public place kaya tayo. Ano ba?
Eh, siya ba? Faithful.
Oh my gosh! May kausap siyang iba, OMG, ibang babae!
True lalo at walang halong eklabu. Nakita mo ba yon?
Niloloko niya ako! Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh! Ah!
Girl, relax. I have an idea.
Ano?
FBI.
Ano yun? Federal Bureau Immigration?
Timang ka, girl. Kaya ka nilalayuan eh. May laman nga yung puso mo, wala naman yung ulo mo. Gosh! Ang sinasabi ko, mag-aasa tayong agent. Spice! We'll stalk Rob, gather data, evidence, then boom! Conclusion. Para malaman natin talaga.
Girl, hindi ba delikado yung iniisip mo? Paano kung mahuli na naman tayo, eh di sira na naman yung love story ko?
Gosh! Where's our brain, girl? As if naman papahuli tayo. Basta, ako na ang bahala. Ano, girl? Are you ready to spy on your soon-to-be ex-man?
Go, go, go! Wala nang may ibang choice eh!
Let's do this!
Tama!
Hoy, Langa, anong ginagawa mo?
I-inspire natin si Happy Bobby ko, di ba?
Oh, eh bakit mo yan?
Eh, ang layo niya kaya. Para makita natin siya, di ba?
Jungers, hindi kasi ganyan. Gosh! Kailangan natin siya malapitan sa pamamagitan ng pagbabanggap. Naku naman,
Sorry ha. Okay lang. Wala ka kasing sinabing instructions. Eh, so ano nga gagawin natin ngayon?
Let's wait till lunch.
Rob, tara, lunch. Sige, para sunod ako.
Is everything ready? I need this to be perfect. I've made sure Kate doesn't find out about this. Thanks, baby. Love, Rob.
Oh my God, Mare. Shucks, ang taksil! Take a picture. Take a Kodak moment. Para may proof.
Hey guys, wait lang. Nakalimutan ko wallet ko. Yun! Mutang pa yung wallet ko.
Kailangan na natin makaalis dito. Kundi, booking tayo. Alas, sige, gapang.
Yo, baby! Oo nga eh. Sana hindi naman siya masyadong maghuli. Pinaglulungan naman agad ito ah. Gusto ko sana mag-expression naman
So dramatic. Hold on. We can get this through. Mare, nakita mo yun, best friend? Nakita mo? Kung hindi, nakita mo!
Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Tara, sugurin natin.
Mare, wag! Mare, wag!
Hindi, Mare.
Mare, wag!
Manati siya. Kailangan ipakita ko sa babae niya na hindi niya basta-basta makikita makukuha si Ro.
Kukakuha niya, hindi ako makahinga eh. Mare, sinabi ng wag eh! Tingnan mo naman sarili mo! Ano ko sa tingin mo magiging reaction ako makita yung magsubungit sa kanya babae mo kang galing sa septic tank?
Pero kasi...
Wait lang, hindi ako makahinga. Wait lang ha. Don't worry, my dear. May plano pa ako. Let's come on! She won this battle. Wait lang ha. Hingal ako, wait lang. But she hasn't won this war.
Ba? Kamusta? Nalali namin, oh.
Ay, makapaglaro niyan eh.
Ay! Hey! Hoy! Kami!
Oh, kami!
Ay, nako! Tagal! Yan naman
Sorry ah.
Oh!
Traffic din.
Saan ba yung court? Saan ba yung court?
Dun, no?
Ah! Yun! O, tara na!
Wait guys, wait guys. Hello mga friends. Friends lang ako. Gusto kasi maglaro ng honey bunch ko eh. Nabanggit kasi sa akin ni Kate na magbabasketball daw kayo. Buti na lang nabuti namin dito. Ayos lang ba? Si Ken nga pala.
Wala lang! Halika kayo! Halika kayo! Kate!
Mare, oh my God!
Kate! Kate! Anong pinagagawa mo?
Aba, malay ko.
Anong malay mo? Ewan ko sa'yo, Kate. Hindi kita maintindihan eh. Kasi bilitupahin mo ako? Nanadya ka ba?
Ako? Ako? Sige, ako na mali dito. Ako na nagsisinungaling, nagtatago. Kung sino-sino babaeng kinikita.
Ano pinagsasabi mo?
Sige, magmamakaangan ka ba? Sige, Rob. Sino yung babaeng nakita ko? Nakita kita nung isang araw. Sabihin mo. O baka nababaliw na ako at kung sino-sino nakikita ko. Hindi mo magawa sabihin sa mukha ko ang totoo. Bahala ka! Ayoko na! Reset, mali!
When I cry, I begin to feel the pain inside my heart. I don't realize there's nothing I can hold on to, but now I cry to just let the tears fall freely from my eyes. Despite the pain, I still believe I'd love again. And though love has brought me down, love is still around, finding all its ways to those whose hearts are brave enough to try. 'Cause love is always ready to depart all unwilling things that this life may bring, though at times may seem to lose its page and die when things turn wrong. But love is still my reason to go on. Once I ask if there's something good in thinking about the past, when it makes me hurt, but think of all the things I've learned. So now I might move on with my life and leave those things behind. I will soon forget the painful faults I still regret. And though love has brought me down, love is still around, finding all its ways to those whose hearts are brave enough to try. 'Cause love is always ready to depart all unwilling things that this life may bring, though at times may seem to lose its page and die when things turn wrong. But love is still my reason to go on.
Happy anniversary!
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it, everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Okay lang yun. Sorry hindi ko naman nakakalain na maisip mong may iba ako.
I'm sorry talaga, Rob. Hindi ko naman... Akalain na aabot sa ganito yung pagdududa ko. Si Tony kasi... Tinutungan pa niya ako. Alam naman niyang minsan... Baliw din ako.
Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi kita kaya pagpalit kahit yun. Kahit minsan may sapak ka. I love you.
I love you too.
Sandali! Sandali! Ano kaguluhan to? Hoy, maldita ka! Kapalong mong pakita dito sa party ng best friend ko! Kita mo kapag number niyo sa asawa niya? Ay! Bilis ka!
Tony! Si Baby! Party organizer ng Red Universe ng meeting.
Oh my God, Mare! This is so sweet! Like super ultra mega sweet! Sorry, Kate! Sorry, Rob! Sorry, baby! Uy, may chicken! Gutom na ako!
Habang buhay ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, o sinta. Kahit na ika'y tumaba, hindi ako mangangaliwa. Panghabang buhay ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, o sinta. Kahit na magka-wrinkles ka, ikikiss pa rin kita. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it is not rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. Panghabang buhay ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, o sinta. Kahit na topakin ka, iintindihin kita. Panghabang buhay ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, o sinta. Kahit na may kasalanan ka, iiyak ako pero papatawarin kita.